morning. Please introduce yourself and explain why you are interested in interning at Arunika Publishing.
Hello, good morning. My name is Eliana Sasha. I'm currently a second year diploma student majoring in publishing at Polytechnic Negeri Media Creative. I have a strong passion for writing, content creation, and the publishing world. I first came across Arunika Publishing is internship opportunity on LinkedIn, and I was immediately drawn it because Arunika has been building a meaningful publishing my creativity in real publishing environment.
Which internship position are you applying for, and why does it match your skill and interests?
I'm applying for content writer position. Writing has always been something I genuinely enjoy. I've been writing a published article in my campus magazine, create a children's storybook, and even author a pocket book on Indonesian national heroes.
What do you know about Arunika Publishing and its publishing activity?
Arunika Publishing was established in 2008 and focused on publishing various genres, including novel. I find interesting is that Arunika doesn't only publishing the company, also actively distribute books or bazaar on workshop.
What are your strengths that will help you perform well in this internship?
I would say my three key strengths are first my reading ability, and then second my attention to detail, which is developed during my internship at DPRD DKI Jakarta, and third I'm highly adept fast learner. I enjoy receive a new challenge. I'm not afraid to ask questions and improve.
What is one weakness you are currently trying to improve?
I tend to be a bit perfectionist when it comes to my reading. I sometimes spend too much time refining one piece and instead of moving forward.
Have you ever created content, design, or creative project? Please describe on example.
Yes, one project I'm proud of this my article published in Publishing Universe magazine my campus published in the January-February edition. I wrote about the history of the printing press and how it shaped modern human writing.
How would you handle revision or feedback from editor, supervisor, or client?
I genuinely welcome a feedback because I see it tool to grow, not a criticism. And during my campus project and magazine writing, I experienced editorial revision and I learned the goal of feedback is always to make the content better, my approach, and listen carefully.
Since Arunika actively promotes book truth, Instagram, TikTok, and workshop, how would you contribute creatively to promotion activity?
I'd love to contribute in a few ways. For Instagram, I could create a caption and create aesthetic visual and storytelling content that like TikTok. I think short form content like 3 reasons to read this book or relatable character or breakdowns or could perform well.
What are your expect salary or internship allowance expectation?
Since this internship and primary goal is to learn and gain a real industry experience, I am flexible regarding the allowance. I would be happy to discuss whatever is standard or approach it according to Arunika Publishing policy. For me, the mentorship or portfolio experience and internship uh, certificate are already very valuable.
Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I have two questions. First, could you tell me more about what a typical day or week looks like to content writer intern here? I'd love to understand what a kind of second to be working on most. And second, Aurika Publishing provide mentoring or feedback session during the internship so intern can continue develop their skill check out the program.
Thank you.
Thank you.